In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view customer transaction history in QuickBooks. This walkthrough is for QuickBooks Online and will help you quickly find every invoice, payment, credit memo, and estimate tied to a specific customer. It's perfect for answering billing questions, reconciling accounts, or just getting a clean snapshot of a customer's activity. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to the correct company file. Once your dashboard loads, look to the left navigation. Find Customers in the menu. Depending on your layout, it might appear under Sales or Get Paid and Pay. If you see either of those, click it, then choose Customers. This brings you to your full customer list. From here, locate the customer you want to review. You can scroll the list or use the search field at the top to type part of their name or company. When you see the right customer, click their name to open their profile. This takes you to a dedicated page that shows all of their activity in one place. On the customer page, you'll see a timeline or list of transactions. Each row represents a document, like an invoice, payment, sales receipt, refund, or credit memo. Pay attention to the columns. The date tells you when it was created. Type identifies what the document is. Status shows whether it's open, paid, or partially paid, and amount displays the total. You'll also see a balance column for invoices and credits, which is helpful when you're tracking what's still owed. You can refine what you're seeing using the filters and sort controls on this page. Adjust the date range to show this month, last quarter, or a custom range if you're researching a specific period. Filter by transaction type if you only want to see invoices or just payments. Sorting by date, amount, or status helps you spot patterns like overdue invoices or recent payments. If you need to inspect something more closely, click on any transaction to open it. From there, you can review line items, check the payment method, look at notes, or verify taxes. If a customer is questioning a charge or a payment, this is the quickest way to pull up the details and confirm what happened. If you don't see what you expect, double-check the date filters and make sure you're on the correct customer. Clearing filters often brings hidden items back into view. And if you work with many customers who share similar names, always verify you've opened the right profile before making changes. That's all there is to it. By navigating to customers and opening a specific customer's profile, you have a complete, filterable history of their transactions at your fingertips.